Good morning, ma'am. My name is Pujita. I am from BZC second year, TSWRDC Vikarabad at Tolkata. Today my topic is meristematic tissue. What is tissue? Tissues are a group of cells which have the same origin, structure and perform fundamental. Tissues are two types, meristematic tissue and permanent tissue. Here I am ready to discuss about meristematic tissue. What is meristematic tissue? The cells which have the capacity of continuous cell division is called meristematic tissue. It is found in vascular plants, and the term meristem was coined by C. Nageli. Structure of the meristematic tissue. The cell wall is made up of cellulose and there is almost absent intercellular space, and nucleus and vacuoles are many in meristematic tissue. Classification of meristematic tissue based on the origin, function, location and plane of division, these are divided. Origin. Based on the origin, the meristematic tissue is again divided into promeristem, primary meristem and secondary meristem. Promeristem or premoidal meristem. Thus meristem takes new growth at the centers or embryonic meristem. These cells are undifferentiated cells. It shows the response through the new shape, movement of the shape. And primary meristem. These are formed from the embryonic cells. And it gives rise to roots and shoot tips. Secondary meristem. These meristems takes place the non-meristematic or permanent tissue. Its example, interfascicular cambium and cambium. Based on the position, the meristematic again divided into apical meristem, intercalary meristem and lateral meristem. Apical meristem. The apical meristem is present at the apex of the roots and shoots. It increases in the length of the plant body. Intercalary meristem. These are mostly seen in nodes or internodes of the plants. Example, sugarcane. Sugarcanes have internodes. Here, intercalary meristem is present in nodes and internodes. It also helps in increases in the length of the plant body. Lateral meristem. These lateral meristems are present at the sides of the roots and shoots. Mostly these lateral meristems shows periclinal divisions. And these are mostly seen in cork cambium and cambium. Based on the function, these are of meristematic tissues are of three types: protodome, procambium and ground meristem. Protodome. This is the outermost layer and gives to the epidermis. Procambium. Procambium gives to the cortex. Ground meristematic tissue. This ground meristematic tissue gives pith, medulla and medullary layers. Based on the plane of cell division, these are the meristematic tissues are of three types: plate meristem, rib meristem and mass meristem. The cells divisions takes place only in two planes, and it gives flat structure to the plant body, and it helps in leaf formation or epidermal growth. Rib meristem. The cell division takes place in one plane and it gives rise to the roots and shoots formation. Mass meristem. The mass meristem, the cell division takes place in several divisions and it increases the volume of the plant body, and it helps in the formation of pith, cortex and medulla. Thank you, ma'am.